Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable annoying notification sounds. Are you tired of being startled by loud notification sounds? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily disable or customize those annoying sounds on your device. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings app. Click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Then, find and click on the Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on System from the list on the left. This section manages your computer's basic settings, including notifications. Next, click on Notifications from the System menu. This is where you can manage all of your notification settings. Under the Notifications section, you'll see an option to allow notifications to play sound. To turn off all notification sounds, uncheck this option. If you just want to mute specific app sounds, scroll down to Notifications from apps and other senders. Find the app you want to mute and click on it. You'll see options to customize the sound settings or turn them off entirely. If you want more control, you can adjust sound settings directly. Go back to the main settings menu, click on System, then Sound. Scroll down to the Advanced section and then Volume Mixer. Here you can adjust or mute the volume for specific apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.